Friends, in a part 1 of thin layer chromatography, we have discussed about the stationary phases used and TLC development methods. Now, after developing a thin layer chromatogram, the next thing that comes into the mind is the detection of the spots. Detection of analyte spot is carried out in a different way. After developing a TLC plate, it is removed from the mobile phase chamber and developed plate is dried in air and heated in an oven to remove the mobile phase. The first method of detecting analyte spot is exposing developed plate to UV light. If a solid molecule fluoresces, it can be detected by exposing the developed plate under UV cabinet, where the developed spot will appear as a fluorescent spot. Second method is spraying with a reagent. Chemical reagents are sprayed on the developed chromatogram, which chemically reacts with a solute on the plate and produces a spot of different color, which helps in the location of the spot. Menhydrin can be sprayed to detect amino acid, that is one of the example, where amino acid will appear as a violet color spot. Second is a drag and drop reagent, which can be sprayed to detect the presence of alkaloids in the sample mixture. The third method of detecting analyte spot is fluorescent quenching. In this method, the fluorescent material is incorporated into the stationary phase, so entire plate will fluoresce. Now, after chromatographic development, the plate is examined under UV light, where a sample component will absorb the fluorescent light and it will appear as a dark spot. Now the next question that comes is how to perform a qualitative analysis in thin layer chromatography. The qualitative analysis of developed chromatogram is performed by calculating the retardation factor, that is called as RF value. RF value is the distance traveled by solute upon distance traveled by the mobile phase. So if you look at in this chromatogram for a pink colored spot, this is the distance traveled by solute upon this is the distance traveled by the solvent. Quantitative analysis of developed chromatogram is performed by two ways. One, measurement directly on the layer, and second, removal of analyte from the plate and analysis. Though quantitation is not accurate in case of thin layer chromatography, but approximate quantitation is possible in thin layer chromatography. So using first technique, measurement directly on the layer, first technique that we can use is visual comparison. By visual comparison of the chromatogram, quantitation can be performed, where the spots of standard and samples are compared for their area. But again, this method is having limited accuracy. Second is area measurement. It involves measurement of the spot area. Planimetry, tracing spot on the writing paper, photographing the spot for cutting and weighing are different techniques used for measuring area. Accurate quantitation is only possible using densitometric method, where it involves in situ measurement of absorbance characteristic of the solute. The second method is removal of analyte from the plate and analysis. After identifying spot, the area containing analyte is scraped from the plate. It is dissolved in a suitable solvent and identification is carried out. Now let's look at the advantages of thin layer chromatography. The instrument required for thin layer chromatography is quite simple compared to column chromatography. This method is speedy and cheaper compared to column chromatography. The separated analyte can be easily recovered by scraping from the TLC plate. It can be performed on analytical as well as preparative level. TLC is sensitive compared to paper chromatography. Usually all spraying reagents can be used to detect the spot. Spraying reagents like sulfuric acid or chromic acid, which cannot be used in paper chromatography, can be easily used as a spraying reagent in thin layer chromatography. So, TLC plates can be treated with variety of reagents, including corrosive reagent for the detection of analytes. Slow eluting compound or substance may clog the column in column chromatography, while in thin layer chromatography, this problem may not arise. In TLC analysis, every time new stationary phase is used, while in column chromatography, same stationary phase is used for many sample analysis. Multiple sample analysis are possible at a time in TLC, while it is not possible in column chromatography. Now let's look at the disadvantages of TLC. Accurate quantitative analysis cannot be performed by thin layer chromatography. You may not get reproducible result. Number of theoretical plates are less. The sensitivity is low compared to HPLC or column chromatography, and it is not suitable for volatile compound. Let's look at the applications of thin layer chromatography. TLC used by pharmacopoeia as identity test performed on pure substance. It is used for detection and identification of compounds in complex mixture. By comparing RF value, identification can be performed. 90% of the herbal extracts and preparations are standardized using TLC. TLC is also used to perform limit test for impurities in many pharmacopoeial monograph. A TLC limit test is based on comparison between solution of analyte and impurity. Organic synthetic reactions are easily monitored using TLC. It is used to check the purity of materials used in synthetic reaction. Completeness of synthetic reactions can be evaluated by performing thin layer chromatography. For example, appearance of single spot on TLC plate indicates that the reaction is complete. The progress of synthetic reactions can also be monitored using TLC. So overall synthetic reaction monitoring is possible using thin layer chromatography. TLC is also used for checking the completeness of other separations and purification process. For example, distillation fractions are evaluated every 30 minutes to monitor the completeness of distillation of desired material. Separation of inorganic ions can be effectively carried out by thin layer chromatography. So a simple chromatographic technique for the separation of a compound, that is thin layer chromatography. Thank you.